loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the item that I have unboxed a few months ago. It's during my birthday month, and it's let me show you, the watch that I have purchased from Kapten Son. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So, like I've mentioned, I'm going to give you a first impression quick review, let's say it like that, of this item that I have actually unboxed through my YouTube Reels. I'm going to put the card just right there as well as the link in the description down below so you can check it out if you haven't already. And I actually unboxed it during my birthday month, which was in November of last year. So I just want to share it with you guys. I haven't used it yet because I really wanted to show you and give you my first impression of the packaging as well as the watch itself, the price point, and so on. So let's head on to the reveal. As you can see, this is how the box looks like. So that's the front, that's the top, and then the side. So let me just open it. So you have this sort of string, and when you open it, I really love the packaging. So as you can see in here, with love. And to be honest, I think Kapten Son has different types of box. And in here, as you can see, that is how the watch looks like. And mine has the message, "Thank you for being you." I love that. So as you can see in here, I'm just going to take off the watch itself. So it is in here. So just to show you with what it has arrived, let me show you first the extras. So in here you have the screw. To be honest, I didn't really use it to take off some of the chains, which are, I have it in here, the extras. I have it in here. My hubby actually did it for me. So the watch is on my wrist size already. So let me show you the watch itself. So this is the one that I got. This is the Trésor gold bicolor steel, and the inside is in white. So as you can see, it's bicolor because it's gold and silver, and then the back looks like that. So that is how the watch and the packaging looks like. So now I'm just going to give you some product details. So like I've mentioned, the one that I got is the Trésor gold bicolor steel. It currently retails for 159.90 euros in Belgium. As for the product details, as you can see, the dimension, this is a 26 millimeters by 25 millimeters. So that is the height and the width. And then it has a premium mineral glass. It has a quartz movement from the Swiss manufacturer Ronda, and it is water resistant up to 5 ATM. So let me just take it off here so you can show it, see it more clearly. So the case is a 316L stainless steel, and then as you can see in here, the wristband is a robust stainless steel wristband, and the closing mechanism is a butterfly clasp. I don't know if I will be able to show it to you like that. So as you can see, voila, there we go. And then as you can see in here, you have the Kapten Son logo there, and then also inside the watch. And this is guaranteed for 2 years. So now I'm going to share with you my first impression of the watch itself. So like I have mentioned, first and foremost, the watch has already been put into my size. So just going to show it to you. I'm just going to put like so. Oh yeah, by the way, I usually put my watches on my right wrist, right arm, because as you can see, I have my bracelet on the left side, so I want my watch to be separate. And then as you can see, yeah, I have a small space here so that it will move, so it will not be that tight. So that's how it looks like on my wrist. And as for a first impression, to be honest, I am very wowed. As you can see, it looks very dainty, even though that the case is 26 millimeters. It's just the right size, I think. And the finishing, as you can see in here, the gold and the silver steel is very nice. I'm just going to show you in details the inside. So as you can see, the inside is in white, and then you have the Roman numerals, like I mentioned, 12 and 6. Very nicely finished, and then the side is in gold as well. I haven't used it yet, so this is really the first time that I am checking it out, even though I have opened it a few months already. As you can see, I have, like I mentioned, still the protection, plastic protection there. But honestly, just looking at it, I am very pleased of the watch, and also on the packaging, how it arrived, what's inside, and so on. So really very happy with the Kapten Son packaging and watch as well. So that's my first impression. Very excited to use it. Of course, to be honest, since it has shiny gold part in here, I know for sure that those will be scratched after using it. But well, that's normal wear and tear. So that's my first impression of the Kapten Son Tresor Gold Bicolor Steel Watch. And finally, I am going to share with you the reasons why I have opted for this specific watch. To be honest, there are different types of watches at Kapten Son. So if you're interested, you can go and check out their website. But what I liked about this one, actually, for a few reasons. The very first reason, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, the very first reason why I wanted absolutely this one is because it really reminded me of the Cartier Panthere watch, without a doubt. Why? Because of the shape. It's a square shape like the Cartier one. Okay, it doesn't have the same Roman numerals numbering everywhere, but you still have the 6 and the 12. The fact that it has also this bicolor steel, so you have the gold and the silver one, very easy to use with all of my jewelries, handbags, and shoes. I have both gold and silver hardware, so very versatile for that. And also the fact that it has, I think, half, or no, not even half, tenth of a price of the Cartier Panther. So like I mentioned, this one is, let's sum it up, it's 160 euros. And the Cartier Panther, the same color combo in the small size, is currently 9,100 euros in Belgium. So you see the difference price tag. So I was like, you know what, I'll try with this one first. If I have the budget for the Cartier one, of course I will, because that's one of my really wish watch to have. But as for now, I'm very happy with the Kapten Son one. So yeah, that's the first reason. Second reason is, like I mentioned, the daintiness of the watch itself, and the fact that it's very versatile because of the two-toned color steel. And then lastly, like I have mentioned, the fact that it is dainty. I will be able to wear it casually as well as formally. Very easy to use any time of the day, during the day or during the night. And then the price tag. So those are the reasons why I have opted for this specific watch from Kapten Son. So there you go, guys. That was my first impression, first review of the Trésor Gold Bicolor Steel Watch from Kapten Son. If this video has entertained you in a certain way and you've liked it, please consider giving this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who have some questions or need some details concerning the watch or my experience with Kapten Son, Feel free to put them in the comment section down below, or if you have any questions as well, I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And lastly, for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please feel free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. So until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.
Música